Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, YouTube videos. If you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified whenever I make a video. So guys, this is gonna kind of look weird with the hair and all compared to the video that you're gonna be seeing, but I forgot to make an intro, so I'm making it right now because I was editing the video. Yes, this is Taylor. So I was editing the video and realized I did not make an intro nor an outro, so this is the intro for the video. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. This is my little weekend vlog, so yes, enjoy the video and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Charles.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glowed.
I'm gonna say hi to Yes. Yes. No, sir. No, sir.
We're making cards, Christmas card. So, can you guess what this is going to be? Me teacher. Go ahead. A tree. Yes, a Christmas tree. Morning.
Good morning. How'd you do?
How are you?
Fine. How are you? Do you have any pencil crayons by any chance? Oh, look, that's what if you ask, you know. That's what if you ask. I'll put on a reindeer, babe. A reindeer. It's brownish. What's up? Is it brown?
This one kind of different.
Okay, big.
No, I wouldn't.
Oh, okay, the cooling. Yeah.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. It's Saturday. I never done no vlog yesterday, but we used to have a vlog yesterday, so we're gonna continue today. Why is this little girl outside? Go in. Alright guys, so we are heading out now. My fellow Shannon go buy something to eat, and it's place just look, you know, windy. When you can't hear the breeze, like right, when you catch breeze. Oh god. And then you see the sky, it's raining and Shannon can't but she have vlog. When you kuya. Kuya. But anyways. Yeah. Come on no. Sure. I think I had to walk up and then the rain began. Rain up fall. Anyways. Yeah, because the rain up fall. We have to stop. Hey guys, so it is currently raining right now. Like it's so rainy outside. So we're gonna close that. We're gonna talk to y'all. There we go. Alright guys, hey, I have my room to clean right now. You guys are probably hearing the rain because it's raining outside. But I have my room to clean. I'm currently exporting my videos I should upload today because it's Saturday. We have a video to upload today, so I'm currently exporting that, and I decided I need to vlog while I clean my room because it's a part of Vlogmas, right? Vlogmas, you have to have everything. So I'm going to use my camera today. So I'm going to show you the situation of my room right now, and then we're gonna go from there. So let me start from out here. So I'm gonna be cleaning my room right now. Sorry, we're gonna clean my room right now. Dresser is not too bad. We have this part to clean up, to just clear up, sweeping, my bed to fix, just to straighten up and all of that. No, not Christmas cleaning, just to straighten up and sweep out and something. So it's just Saturday kind of clean up. Yeah.
I've been wanting something from you. You ain't giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You ain't giving nothing. Oh.
It didn't take that long, but it has progress. The dresser, I tidied up the dresser, so that's fine. Over here, so did already never too bad, you know, just for the pillows to come off and then come off because they're on the bed now. Yeah, so they're on the bed. This is not Christmas cleaning, guys. It's just regular Saturday cleaning. That's clean. And then over here is just Jen's stuff to put away. So yeah, so yes, room is clean. So I'm done with the room for now. Yeah, I was just gonna chillax and my sister is pushing me to find my clothes for the 2 weeks. I'm tired. I don't know. I just don't feel good, but I don't know what to do. Anyway, so this week is, well, next week, Monday coming, we're gonna have pink week because it's my sister's birthday week and she wants us to wear pink, so we're gonna wear pink. Then the other week is gonna be red, so I need to find 1 week of pink clothes, 1 week of red clothes. So I'll let you guys know when I find them. Okay. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, click that bell guys so you're notified whenever I make a video. We're making videos for 26 days in December because it's Vlogmas. So yes guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We have some interesting videos coming up for you guys. So yes, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.